I love more than anything a good fresh guacamole. And today I'm going to show you one with a little bit of a twist. So if you've had, if you're kind of guacamole'd out on exactly the same old recipe all the time, I'm going to show you a little something fresh and new. Of course, we're going to start with some avocados. And be careful when you do this because it's, it's not hard, but I think that it's a pretty common trip to the emergency room. People doing this with opening up their avocados. So just be careful because you do it right in the palm of your hand. So since the recipe calls for 2 big avocados, and since these are small avocados, I'm using 3. They're mini avocados. So let's see, what's the method? Right on the table here, and I'll slice not in my hand. Make sure that my fingers are never under the blade of the knife. They're just kind of off to the sides here. Twist open my avocado. Oh, that one's pretty too. Here's the part where you got to be careful, okay? Knife right into the seed. Pops right out. That's the part where people get cut. And I'll just take a spoon and spoon out that avocado. Looks so good. We eat lots of avocados at my house. Probably 2 a day. I make avocado toast. And I'm so happy that my kids actually like avocado toast. And we'll eat it. And we make lots of just guacamole. And I'll slice them up and just eat them with a little salt and a little olive oil on them. Anybody else do that? I do. I love them. Okay, so avocados go brown real fast. And it's because of the air hitting them. But what'll keep that from happening is the juice of lemon, right? So I'm going to add some lemon juice. Keep it looking fresher longer. Just mash my avocados. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. They're so good for you too. Avocados are, and I feel pretty happy that I like them. So we'll mash them up. This is a super simple recipe. This is the hardest part, the work that I'm doing right now. This is the hardest thing. We're just going to stir in the rest of our ingredients. And what makes this different is I'm going to add fresh pineapple. You could add jalapeno if you wanted to, which I am. But the pineapple is the thing. Now to that, I'm going to add a little salt. Half teaspoon. Half teaspoon of pepper. Now, if you like, I'm not a big fan of cilantro. Some people are. If you like cilantro, add it. I don't. I think I got the gene. There's about half of us taste dishwater.
Doesn't Jamie say it tastes like?
It does to me. It tastes like soapy water. I don't like it. But you could add a little fresh parsley if you wanted to. If you're not into the cilantro. Okay, I'm going to add some red onion, which goes nicely with the jalapeno. Which goes very nicely with the pineapple. Beautiful. Yeah, so if you want to freshen up your guacamole recipe, and that smells so good. These flavors are so good together. The lemon juice in there with the avocado is going to give it a little brightness and acidity. The pineapple also is going to give you some of that brightness. And then you've got the jalapenos and the red onion. That's a really good combination of ingredients for a guacamole. And a little salt and pepper, and it's just as simple as that. And this nice dish right here in the center, Father John, our friend Father John, you've met him, you've seen him before. He pops in sometimes. He throws pottery, and he made this dish right here. It's really pretty. So thank you, Father John's. And let's see how it is. Eggs. That is so good. So next time you make next time you make this at home, your guacamole at home, add a little pineapple, a little bell pepper, or excuse me, a little jalapeno pepper, and red onion, and that'll really put a nice twist on it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.